We're on the New Limerick Road. We're in the township of Linneus. This is over 2 acres of land. Good farm ground. It was a farm field. And there's a shell that you can finish off. The driveway's all in. There's a 1,000-gallon concrete septic. They did the soil test, everything by the book. And it's set off the road. There's a long driveway. Welcome to 216 New Limerick Road. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks an awful lot for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. The exterior is clapboard sided. The roof is metal. The land also surveyed, so you're not going to have any problems on where the heck my lines are. No squabbles with neighbors. And the neighbors you do have are nice ones. The exterior is weather tight, but you finish off the inside. How would you lay it out? All open design, compartmentalized into rooms. What configuration? You get to decide. The windows are all in. There's a picture window on the front. But how would you lay this out? It's roughly 30 by 30. It's on a footing. The roughed-in cement floor is in place. The plumbing is too. It isn't that hard to take it the rest of the way to make it your vacation home, retirement home. There's insulation here, some building materials, and you're not far from a whole bunch of lakes. An affordable housing project for the DIYer out in the audience. Finish it off at your own speed, using your own labor, swinging that hammer with the pencil behind your ear, digging into the nail pouch around your waist as you create a home in the country. You're in farming community too. Farms and woodlots, that's what you have for neighbors.